In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online. If you've been trying to get a handle on your finances and make sure everything adds up just right, knowing which checks haven't cleared is crucial. So let's dive into this simple process that will make your financial tracking a breeze. Start by navigating your way to the lovely left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online interface, where you'll find the Reports section. Once you click on Reports, you'll be directed to a new page. This is where all your financial insights sit quietly, waiting to be discovered. You'll see various tabs here, so go ahead and click on the Standard Reports tab. Now, you're in the right spot to access a variety of predefined reports that QuickBooks has laid out for your convenience. Next, we want to specifically track the checks, so in the search bar provided within the Standard Reports section, type Check Detail. This report will gather all the data related to your checks, which is exactly what we need. Upon running the report, you might notice that your screen appears rather empty. If that's the case, don't worry. This simply means you need to adjust the report period to match the time frame for which you want to see the checks. Adjusting the report period can be done easily, and it ensures you're looking at the data for the correct dates. With the period set as you need, you'll now see a comprehensive list of all your checks. It's a satisfying sight, isn't it? But our goal here is to pinpoint exactly which of those checks have not yet cleared. To do this, we need to apply a filter to make your job even easier. Look for the filter options on your report page and zero in on the cleared column. This is where the magic happens. Set the filter to equals and then choose uncleared. By doing this, QuickBooks will kindly only display the checks that are still hanging out as uncleared. Once you apply the filter, your list will transform to show only the uncleared checks. And there you go, the uncluttered view of your financial obligations that remain pending. Keeping tabs on these can significantly assist in maintaining accurate financial records and avoiding any nasty surprises. And that's it, folks. You've mastered locating uncleared checks in QuickBooks Online. Remember, this process not only helps in reconciliation, but also in managing your cash flow effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore more reporting options for a deeper dive into your financial data. Until next time.